Hi, I'm Isabella, and welcome to the Rain Review, Quarantine Edition. And for the announcements, ebooks still may be available on justin.com until May 15th, so get them while you can before they run out. And Miss York is still doing a virtual art club, so follow her Instagram account, and she'll post inspiration every Friday for you to draw. FOFA is still accepting digital applications until May 1st. Digital submissions will be made out to this email, and then the winners will be notified before May 17th. There will be high school choir auditions. All auditions will take place on Zoom, April 28th through the 30th. But if you're not in choir already, go to this link or just email Mr. Wynn or Mr. Langley. Also, both prom and virtual graduation is still happening, so tune in for that. The first video will be Dylan Do's How to Make Street Tacos.
Hello, this is the first episode of Cooking with Dylan. I am Chef Dylan, and this is Chef Mimi.
Hi.
And today we'll be cooking homemade street tacos. So let's get right into it.
Okay, the first thing that we need to do is we need to brown the ground beef and drain if you need to drain. If not, add your McCormick taco seasoning mix, and Dylan will now chop the lettuce and warm the street taco tortillas.
Alright, so for step 3, you want to cut the lettuce, and you want to cut it into little bits and pieces. You don't want it too chunky because you don't want it to overpower like the main flavor. You also want to cut some onions. Those also need to be very small. And also I'm currently grilling the tortillas over here on the griddle. You want the tortilla like a golden brown. You don't want it too crunchy or too soft because then it'll like fall apart.
It's done now, but it's got a lot of grease in it, so I'm going to drain the meat and put it back in the pan and put the taco seasoning on it. There we go. Okay. Okay, we're going to add our taco seasoning and cook for a little while longer. This is Chef Riley.
So the tortillas are about done now, so we're going to take those off and put them onto the plate and start to get ready for the other stuff, and we will add that onto the tortilla when they're ready. Add some lettuce, wide amount of lettuce. You know, I can just grab it, we're just going to do that.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we like a bit of salsa, so we're going to put some salsa on there. And then we'll add some cheese to finish it up. You want to add the cheese?
No, you can.
Okay, I'll add the cheese. And then, oh wait, onions. Put some onions on there. And finally, to end it, we're going to put a light amount of shredded cheese on there. And there you have our homemade street tacos. My papa tried the tacos and get his reaction.
So tasty too.
Alright guys, that's a wrap for episode 1. We'll see you guys next time on Cooking with Dylan.
Bye. It's been fun. See you next time.
If you didn't like Dylan Do's tacos, well, you could always go and support local restaurants. Next up is what people like to make during quarantine.
So I was asked to make my favorite snack. Well, I don't know if you'd consider this a snack or not, but my favorite thing to have each day is my coffee. And so I've already ground the beans and made the espresso, and it's in here. And I'm a little bit of vanilla, a little bit of cinnamon person. And so here's the steamed milk. And there's what I look forward to in the morning. Have a good day.
Okay, I'm Blaze, and my favorite quarantine snack to make is cereal. So first you want to get your Cinnamon Toast Crunch, pour it in the bowl, get some milk, I got 2%. Bam. Put your spoon, you're done.
So what snacks do I make when I'm quarantined? Pizza. So here we have an English muffin that's already been toasted. And what I like to do is put a little bit of pizza sauce on it. This is some that I made myself the other day, so that way I can use it throughout the week. And I just spread it here. And then of course, you're gonna have some mozzarella cheese. You know, it's quarantine time, so if you don't have mozzarella cheese, just use whatever cheese makes you happy. And then we're gonna use a little bacon. You can use pre-cooked bacon. You can use bacon that you made for breakfast that's left over. You can use whatever makes you happy, because we are, what? Quarantined. And then, I like to put a little bit of red onion on there. You can put whatever makes you happy. And then a little bit of ham. And then the last thing that I'm gonna put on there, of course, what belongs on any pizza is pineapple. And if you say that that is not, I don't know how to help you, because pineapple and pizza are delicious. I'm gonna put a little bit of Italian seasoning on there and maybe just a little bit more cheese. And then I pop it in the toaster oven until it's nice and golden brown. And then you have this. So, if you need a nice little quarantine snack, go for pizza.
Okay, so our favorite snack to eat in between classes and stuff is cereal in a cup. So you start off with some milk. And then you pour cereal out. And then you eat it with a spoon, so.
Well, that's all the fun we have for this week. I hope everybody's good, and see you next time on the Rant Review.